Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Confluence spaces from backups in Atlassian Cloud step by step clearly. To restore Confluence spaces from backups in Atlassian Cloud, first, log into your Atlassian Cloud account. Navigate to the Confluence site where the space you wish to restore is located. On the left sidebar, click on the Spaces option. From the drop-down menu, select Space Directory. Locate and click on the space you want to restore. Once you are in the space, click on the Space Settings option in the sidebar. Scroll down and select Manage Space. In the Manage Space options, you will see an option for Import Content. Click. You will be prompted to upload the backup file. Select the backup file from your local storage that you wish to restore. Once the file is uploaded, review the import options provided. Make sure to check any relevant settings that may affect the import process. After confirming the settings, click on the Import button to initiate the restoration. Wait for the process to complete, which may take some time depending on the size of the backup. Once the import is finished, you will receive a notification regarding the completion status. Navigate back to the space directory to verify that the space has been restored successfully. If any issues arise during the process, review the log files for errors. Once confirmed, your Confluence space is now successfully restored from the backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.